Many of you guys may know that I do parrot whistle training videos on YouTube. And I had to tell you this story real quick because it's amazing. So a friend contacted me a while back saying he couldn't find a good video to teach his bird to learn the song La Vie en Rose. So I learned to whistle that song just to make a parrot whistle training video for him to play for his bird. Let me tell you, this bird is one of my favorite birds ever. It's so smart, it knows so many different songs. His name is Mr. Lubitsch, and if you don't follow him on Instagram or on TikTok, you need to because he's amazing. Anyways, here's a video and he's starting to learn the song. It's amazing.